Oh, good morning from this tent. Man, it was a good sleep under the stars. You know, we have kept that open up there so we could see stars. I really want to get up. But today we go back to we go back to Ojai. We go back home. Okay, let's get this game rolling. Alright, that was a quick backup, wasn't it? Jocelyn and Devang are gonna have another crazy adventure on the road. The time right now is 7. We are an hour early. We decided last night we're gonna leave at 8. So we're gonna leave at 7. Make a quick coffee stop, hit the highway, stop someplace to have a brunch, and keep going. Let's see if we can make it all the way back to Ojai. See you on the road. So most of these campsites would have trash cans. This is one of those, and you see, because of the bear, they have locked it, so you have to put your fingers in, because that's what bear can do. You open it up and you put the trash in, and that's when it gets closed. All right, out and about. Coffee time.
Maybe a muffin?
No. I wasn't awake. I was not awake till I had that first sip of coffee. Yes, coffee. Hey, how's it going? We're still in the town. We're still at Mammoth Lake. And we had to go and get ourselves some coffee. Well, actually, not Jocelyn. Jocelyn got herself a chai. Dirty chai latte. Is that what you got today?
No, but that sounded good. I got the green tea matcha.
She got green tea matcha. You know what's matcha in South Indian?
Something dirty.
No, matcha means brother. Matcha. Matcha, how you doing, matcha? Matcha, that's not how it's done, matcha. Matcha, da. We got coffee. Coffee is a big culture here in States. It's something that people do first and then they say good morning. What I was told by Jocelyn. It's a beautiful town. With the hills all around us, it's a cool valley, and the hills are not just like any hills. It's like these are mountains. I would call them mountains. Well, I'll call them hills, but still, like, they got snow on top of them. So you know, it's good. It's good to have that vibe where you have these mountains with snow on the top. You know, it feels good. We were two small little kids trying to get home. But then look at this highway. The highway was like, no, you gotta stop, you gotta have a look. So that's what we did. You have to stop. It's just beautiful. Like, I mean, what I'm talking about here is, behind me is all that desert. You know, there's no water, it's arid, it's dry. And then on this side, we have some amount of water, it's green, there's vegetation, there are animals, they're grazing. And you go a little up ahead, you start seeing these jagged mountains, and then on top of that, or maybe behind that, or maybe on those areas, you see it's like all snowy, and it's just like 4 landforms all in one picture. Everything all in here. It's just incredible. It's magnificent. It's beautiful. Wow. Oh my God. This is amazing. 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. 5 hours since we have been driving, and the terrain been changing. Currently what we are seeing around us are Joshua trees, which are very special to California. And even you can see, look at the color of the rocks, the mountains around us, it's red. Wow. After doing this drive for hours and hours, we were home and tired. Okay, we have been out for 14 days. Almost around 14 days. And now we are back. I'm tired. Damn it. Okay, let's unpack. Tired. Very tired. After we got back, I just slept. Yeah, and I'm gonna fall asleep again. And everything is a mess. Look at the room. Everything is out there. Everything. Okay, coming back from trip is always tough. Coming back to the mundane life is even tougher. My life is going through a lot of waves. Most of our lives are. Every day is a challenge, especially now when I've moved to United States. I don't have a full-time job, so it's tough. Also, it gives me an opportunity to dive in and get that dream of Iron Man come true. From tomorrow on, I'm gonna start this new journey of achieving Ironman. After 50 days, I have to compete. It's a triathlon, it's not an Ironman yet. Anyway, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this series. You have been enjoying the episodes. Please comment, like, subscribe, and tell us how we can improve, what all we can produce, what all would you want to know. Coming back home kind of makes me depressed a little because it's no more excitement, no more waking up under the stars, no more spontaneous things. But that's okay. Hey, that's okay. I need to get my mind in the right headspace, accomplish things, get dopamine by making goals. And tomorrow's goal is to be waking up at 4:30, go on a run at 5 and see how the day goes. Over and out for now. See you morning at 5 a.m.